Hello, it's Roxalot, and today I'm going to recut a broken piece of jasper. So, don't know what we're going to do. Something in here maybe? Or maybe here. I think maybe there. So, yeah, let's just get straight to it. Setting girdle. You see that coming up there? That's because there's a hole on the bottom. Changed a lot. Gave me a little mini sunny thing in there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Some nice little light spots coming in the bottom left there. They're coming right along the little hilltop, which is cool. In a try serial, what we're going to do is do the zam, and then we're going to do the cerium. It's not going up zam, and I did repolish this one with the 3000. The cerium seemed to be sticking to it. Been using this wheel for a long time now, and much better, much better. Really nice little circle in the top, and then these came out too, which is really neat. On that bottom line there's little bright spots. And it looks like little lights going all the way across, and yeah, it's just a really nice piece. Very happy with that. So, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you. I really appreciate you taking the time just to watch. If you could go ahead and comment, that'd be fantastic. You can see those times that I come on live, and I try to do that once a week. Hit that follow button. So thank you all very much. We'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, take care of each other. Most of all, take care of yourself. Cheers.